the power of a free, high-performance Linux server. The demand for high-performance computing resources is growing exponentially, and being equipped with the right tools can set you apart in this competitive environment. Whether you're a budding developer, an ambitious entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to expand their technological horizons, a high-performance Linux server can be your gateway to a world of possibilities. Imagine having the ability to test new software, run complex simulations, or manage large databases with ease. What if I told you that you could harness this power without spending a dime? Yes, you heard that right. No hidden fees, no trial periods, just pure, unadulterated computing power at your fingertips. Oracle Cloud's always free tier makes this a reality. This incredible offering provides you with the tools you need to innovate and create without the financial burden. This revolutionary offering grants you access to a robust virtual machine completely free of charge. You can leverage this resource to build, test, and deploy your projects with confidence. This means you can experiment with new technologies, host your own websites and applications, and delve into the world of server management, all without breaking the bank. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. This essay will guide you through the process of setting up your own free, high-powered Linux server on Oracle Cloud. We'll provide detailed instructions and tips to ensure a smooth setup experience. We'll cover everything from signing up for an account to configuring your server and accessing it securely. You'll learn how to navigate the Oracle Cloud interface and make the most of its features. By the end, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the full potential of cloud computing. Get ready to embark on a journey that will transform the way you think about technology and its possibilities. Embark on your journey, signing up for Oracle Cloud. Before we dive into the exciting world of server configuration, we need to lay the foundation for our journey. The first step is to create an Oracle Cloud account. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and designed with user-friendliness in mind. Head over to the Oracle Cloud website and locate the Try for Free or Get Started button. You'll be greeted with a simple registration form asking for some basic information. Fill in the required details, including your name, email address, and country. You'll also need to create a secure password for your account. Once you've completed the form, Oracle will send you a verification email to confirm your address. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Congratulations, you've now taken the first step towards unlocking the power of Oracle Cloud. Selecting the always free tier. With your Oracle Cloud account set up, it's time to choose the plan that aligns with our goal of a free, high-powered server, the always free tier. This tier provides a generous offering of resources, allowing you to explore the full potential of cloud computing without any financial commitment. Navigate to the Oracle Cloud dashboard and look for the Products and Services or Solutions section. Within this section, you'll find a category dedicated to compute. Click on Compute and then select Instances. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with various instance types and configurations. Look for the Always Free label, which indicates the resources available under this tier. You'll notice that the Always Free tier includes a virtual machine with impressive specifications. Now that you've selected the Always Free tier, it's time to customize your server's hardware to meet your specific needs. This is where you get to decide how much processing power, memory, and storage your server will have. Oracle Cloud provides a user-friendly interface to configure your instance. You can choose from different operating systems, including various Linux distributions. For this guide, we'll focus on setting up a Linux server, but the process is similar for other operating systems. When configuring your instance, you'll need to select the desired virtual machine shape. This determines the number of CPUs, RAM, and storage capacity allocated to your server. Oracle Cloud offers a range of shapes to choose from. Look for a shape that offers a balance of performance and resources to suit your needs. The keys to your kingdom. Accessing your server with SSH. With your server up and running, it's time to access it and start exploring its capabilities. This is where SSH comes into play, providing a secure and efficient way to manage your server remotely. The most common and secure way to connect to a Linux server is using SSH or Secure Shell. This method ensures that your data remains protected while you interact with your server. SSH is a cryptographic network protocol that allows you to establish a secure connection to your server over an unsecured network. This means you can safely manage your server from anywhere in the world. It provides a command line interface where you can execute commands and manage your server remotely. This interface is powerful and versatile, giving you full control over your server's operations. To connect to your Oracle Cloud server via SSH, you'll need an SSH client. There are many SSH clients available, such as PuTTY for Windows or Terminal for macOS and Linux. Once you have an SSH client installed, you'll need the public IP address of your Oracle Cloud server and the username and password you set up during the instance creation process. These credentials are essential for establishing a connection. Open your SSH client and enter the following command, replacing and with your actual credentials, SSH at. This command initiates the connection process. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to type it carefully to avoid any errors. Once authenticated, you'll have full access to your server's command line interface. From here, you can perform a wide range of tasks, from installing software to configuring server settings. Fortifying your domain security and optimization best practices. Congratulations on successfully setting up and accessing your free high-powered Linux server on Oracle Cloud. This is a significant achievement and opens up a world of possibilities for your projects and applications. Now that you have a server at your disposal, it's crucial to prioritize its security and optimize its performance. Ensuring your server is secure and running efficiently will help you avoid potential issues down the line. Here are some essential tips to safeguard your server and enhance its efficiency. These practices will help you maintain a robust and reliable server environment. Enable a firewall. A firewall acts as a barrier between your server and the outside world, blocking unauthorized access attempts. This is your first line of defense against potential threats. Use strong passwords. Choose complex and unique passwords for all user accounts on your server, including the root account. Strong passwords are essential to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly update software. Keep your operating system and all installed packages up to date to patch security vulnerabilities. Regular updates ensure that your server is protected against the latest threats. Monitor server logs. Regularly review your server logs to identify any suspicious activity or potential issues. This proactive approach helps in early detection of problems. By implementing these security measures and optimization techniques, you can ensure that your server remains a reliable and secure platform for your projects and applications. Taking these steps will give you peace of mind and allow you to focus on your work without worrying about security breaches or performance issues. In this video, we've embarked on a journey to unlock the power of Oracle Cloud's free tier. We've covered the benefits of having a free, high-powered server, guided you through the sign-up process, explored server configuration, and emphasized the importance of security and optimization. Now it's your turn to take the reins and explore the vast possibilities that await you. Remember, the knowledge and skills you gain from this experience will serve you well in your technological endeavors. Don't hesitate to experiment, learn from your experiences, and push the boundaries of what's possible.